How are you, boys and girls? Welcome to our today's lesson. The teacher before you is called Sospeter, and I would like to take this fine opportunity to welcome you for today's English lesson. Our topic of discussion today, our topic of discussion our discussion topic is parts of speech, and the our subtopic is on adjectives. So we are going to discuss adjectives as our parts of speech, and we are going to begin first by describing what is an adjective. We are going to learn and understand what is meant by the word adjectives. This is not the first time that we are describing or discussing adjectives. You started learning about adjectives right away as from class 3. You learned adjectives in class 4. And here we are in class 5. We are still learning the same adjectives. Just as a reminder, when we talk about adjectives, an adjective is a word that is used to describe a noun. An adjective is a word that is used to describe a noun. That is description of the word adjectives. We have said an adjective is a word that is used to describe a noun or a pronoun. When we talk about describing, what is to describe? The question is, what is to describe? To describe is to tell more about something. To describe is to give extra information about something. So when you talk about a describing word, this is a word that is used to give an additional information about something. So when we say adjectives are used to describe nouns, these are words that are used to give extra information, to give more information about something. Examples. Examples. My mother has bought a nice cat. Read that sentence. Good. My mother has bought a nice cat. We underline the word nice. Why? If we remove this word nice from the sentence is going to read, my mother has bought a cat. But we don't know which kind of cat is this. So there is a word in that sentence which is missing, and the word is nice. So when we add the word nice in that sentence, then the word nice becomes an adjective. Why? It is telling us more about the cat. The second example. Read that sentence. Good. The teacher has a black phone. We have underlined the word black. Why have we underlined the word black? We have underlined the word black because it is telling us more about the phone. Which phone is this that the teacher has? The teacher has a black phone. So you don't talk of any other phone, but you are talking of a black phone. So the word black is an adjective because it is telling us more about the phone. The word black is describing the phone. So we say the word black is an adjective. Having understood that, we now go ahead and look at order of adjectives. Can you say order of adjectives? Good. Order of adjectives. Why do we talk about order of adjectives? You can be given a noun that needs to be described using more than one word. For example, if I can ask you to describe yourself, you cannot just say, I'm a handsome boy. Then you keep quiet. You cannot just say, I'm a beautiful girl, then you keep quiet. You can go ahead and use more than one word to describe yourself. The question is, which adjective will come first, followed by this one, followed by this one, followed by this one? That is what we want to learn now. Order of adjectives. I've written a very funny word on the board here. Very funny word. But I want us to read the word downwards. Try to read the word. Good. The word that I've written there is the word oscon. I've written the word oscon. Oscon. What is that? I want to explain what is meant by oscon. O stands for opinion. O stands for opinion. S stands for size. S stands for size. This score stands for color. Co stands for color. Then the last letter N stands for noun. Oscon. I want you to save that word, oscon. You can write it somewhere, oscon. O stands for opinion. S stands for size. Co stands for color. N stands for noun. Now, what is an opinion? When you talk about an opinion, what do you understand by the word opinion? There is an adjective that is an opinion. But the question is, how can I know that this adjective is an opinion? Ask yourself that question. What is an opinion? Read that. Good. An opinion is your own views about something. An opinion is your own views about something. How do I look at something and make my own judgment? How do I look at something and make my own conclusion about that thing? How do I look at something and be able to give a statement about it? That is an opinion. Let us look at an example of an opinion. Juma has a nice car. Juma has a nice car. Mr. Juma can come and park his own car somewhere. When I look at that car, I will say that car is very nice. That is my opinion. That is my opinion. Another person can come, look at the car and say, this is a bad car. That is his opinion. In some cases, opinions are never the same. Each and every person has his or her own opinion. So when you are ordering adjectives, an adjective that is an opinion comes first. That is why we are saying oscon. An opinion comes first. The second one, size. When you talk about size, we are either discussing that thing that you are describing, how does it look like? Is it small? Is it big? So when you talk about size, we are referring to that particular thing that you are describing. How does it look like? So when you talk about size, we are referring to words like small. We are referring to words like big. We are referring to words like huge. We are referring to words like gigantic. All these words are used to describe the size. When you talk about color, this one you can easily understand. When you talk about color, we are referring to different colors. You have learned about colors right away from pre-primary. Baby class, playgroup, pre-unit. You are talking about colors. We have red, we have black, we have blue. You can name more. Wow, that's good. So when you talk about colors, we are referring to those particular adjectives that you know: blue, black, red, white, orange. All those ones are adjectives that describe color. Then the last one, we talk about the noun itself. The noun that you are describing. Look at this example. The teacher has bought a smart, big, blue car. Read that sentence. Wow, that's good. The teacher has bought a smart, big, blue car. In this sentence, we have used 3 adjectives. We have used 3 adjectives to describe the car. So in this case, our opinion is number 1, our size is number 2, our color is number 3, and the noun itself is number 4. So when you are ordering adjectives, you look at our formula here, oscon, oscon. You give O number 1, S number 2, co number 3, number 4, oscon. So we come here and our order must follow each other. You start with the number 1, you go to number 2, you go to number 3, you end with number 4. Let us see if that is agreeing with our statement. The teacher has bought a smart, that is my opinion, smart, number 1. Good. B, size, number 2. Blue, color, number 3. And the last one, noun, number 4. Our sentence becomes correct according to the order. The last example. Ben has a beautiful small green pen. Ben has a beautiful small green pen. Oscon. Opinion, size, color, noun. Ben has a beautiful. That is opinion, number 1. Small, that is size, number 2. Green, color, number 3. Pen, the noun itself, pen, number 4. Our sentence is correct. We have ordered those adjectives correctly. Try this one. Try this one, boys and girls. Order the following adjectives. Number 1. Good. Attempt that. Good. Order those ones. Okay, let us look at the first one. When given this exercise, remember our formula. It must be written somewhere. So you just come up with the formula, you write OSCON. You just write your formula somewhere, OSCON. Once you have written that, you name your formula. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that. After that, you come to the multiple choices that you have been given. Our school has a dash, dash, dash gate. Big. Big. Opinion, size, color, noun. Big is the size. You write that. Number 2. Nice. Nice, opinion, size, color, noun. Nice is the opinion. You write that. Number 1. Brown. Brown is the opinion, size, color, noun. Brown is the color. You name number 3. Then you learn. How do we count? 1, 2, 3. You say 1. You write there. Nice. 2. You write there. Big. Brown. 3. You write there. Brown. Our school has a nice, big, brown gate. Wonderful. You get a tick. The last one. My father uses a dash, dash, dash pen. Black. Black is the opinion, no. Size, no. Color, yes. Black is the color. Number 3. Small. Small is the opinion, no. Size, yes. Small is the size. You name that. Number 2. Nice. Nice is the opinion, yes. Size, no. Color, no. Noun, no. Nice is the opinion. Number 1. So you say 1, 2, 3. You say nice, small, black pen. My father uses a nice, small, black pen. Boys and girls, up to that extent, allow me to end our lesson there and wish you a happy stay and remain to play safe while at home or wherever the place you are. Thank you.